Greetings. I'm Rob McCoy of RAM Communications. Welcome to another installment of our Telecom 101 series. And in this segment, we're going to review Access One's latest hosted phone offering. Access One is a longtime trusted partner here at RAM. And today we're looking at the Polycom VVX350 and the Polycom VVX450 phone. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Here's your mute button. If I press the mute button during a call, it lights up red. Now the other party can't hear me. If I pick up my handset, notice my speaker key turns off. Now I've got the party on the handset. Press speaker again, you can hang up. If I want to put my call on hold, there's my hold key. Notice again that the button next to my extension is going to light up red, flashing red, when I have a caller on hold. Take it off hold, press resume, or press the hold key. Now my call is back online. Here's how we transfer a call. I can press the transfer soft key, or again, I can press the transfer key here on the phone itself. Press transfer, I enter my extension. I press send. Now, if I go ahead and answer, the other party picks up. I can inform that party they have a call, and then I press the transfer key. Now, my call is transferred over to the other extension. If I want to use a headset with my device, press the headset, connect my headset device to the back of my phone. That's going to be on the headset port located here. And then I can place calls or receive calls via my headset. If I want to bypass the headset, all I have to do is press that key and now my headset's turned off. If I want to redial a party, here's how I do it. Press the More button, press Redial, and the last caller will be redialed. I hope that you found the information here helpful on the 350 and the 450 phones. I also hope that we were able to communicate to you some of the advantages of our partnership here with Access One. If you have any questions or comments, by all means, give us a call or send us a note and we will be happy to help. Thanks again and have a great day.